Hey guys, guess who is in Mandeville right now? Yo, we're here for
your virgin, my cousin.
Katie, this party. Wait, like, get it in, baby. Get it, baby. Yeah, so is in Medano. Through that link is gonna be playing at that party. And guys, Mandeville, cool, brother. It is. Huh? But yeah, I'm here. We're at the Victoria Hotel thing and it's nice. Yeah, my boy KT hooked us up. Ooh, in here is beautiful, man. Wow, it's like a mansion and everything. What's up, bro? You're the one I spoke to on the phone? Alright. Alright guys, so we pretty much just got to our room and our room is nice. Yeah, it's a pretty... Yo, I never thought like Mandeville would have like...
Don't say that too loud.
Huh?
Don't say that too loud.
No,
This is where the retired old...
no, I know. Hold on. Yeah, this might be better. Yeah, I know that the people in Mandeville are retired and they got money, but in terms of like a villa like this, it's dope. Ooh, look at the bathroom, nigga. Yo, but yeah, so we're here. Nice little spot. And yeah, it's comfortable. It's cozy.
It's no, I have it on my camera.
What were you gonna say? So Judah was afraid to say that it's better than Sea Cliff. I'm sorry, but I agree. Well, Sea Cliff has a view, but here it's just very open.
In terms of room?
Room-wise, yeah.
Like, this is awkward.
Yeah, I like it. Anyway, guys, so whenever you guys come to Mandeville or any part of this side, Victoria, bed and breakfast, but it's pretty expensive. He said that at this point in time, it's like $229
A night.
per night. You get what I'm saying? But anyway, we have a party to get to, and we're gonna deal with it real quick. Yo, the best part about this,
We got a TV.
we didn't have a TV last time. We never had a TV last time, so this is pretty cool. And we got a full mirror. Look at my ugly body. Look at my ugly body. But yeah, I'm doing my stuff. Anyway guys, I'm pretty much gonna start getting ready to head out to this event. I've never quite really, well, years ago, but I've never quite really been to you know, party that this ends at the, you know, country. So we're gonna head to this event. We hope it's gonna be really good. We're gonna bring the vibe as in I say. I'm gonna show you guys what it is to have a party in the country part of Jamaica. I don't know the real Jamaican way. New Jersey, Manchester link up. It's gonna be a yearly thing. You guys gotta make sure you get there for next year, because you're not there this year. I'm gonna show you guys on the outside of, look at that. This is pretty much the hallway, and the hallway is clean. When I tell you clean, it has this very presidential kind of feel to the place. I think Donna said that it was once owned by politicians, by a politician or something. It's really nice, even on the outside here. I'll show you guys in the morning what it looks like. I'm gonna talk to him about getting an iron really quick. Yeah, so he's gonna bring an iron up. I think that's a breakfast area. To be quite honest, if I have a house, if I build a house in the future, I want it to be like this, like big clean spaces. It's nice here. Yo, we just reached our event, the outside and liquor parking lot thing. I remember Manchester cold. I can't believe I forget how cool Manchester be. Boy, KT in there being bartender and everything, being a host and everything. Crazy. Yo guys, so we pretty much got back in. Unfortunately, it didn't really work out for the event because the police came and they locked it off, and yo, it was just a whole bunch of crazy stuff, you know. But it's one of those things that I was saying to my friend KT, like, yo, you know, keeping an event in Jamaica is not easy. It's gonna be a lot of obstacles, a lot of different things that to be thinking about, but regardless, I came here to show the support all the way from Kingston. It was good to see him again, and we look forward for him to keep it again next year, you know. Hopefully we don't have these issues again. But yeah, we're just here. We're about to go watch some TV or something. You feel me? But anyway, remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and I'll remember to keep it. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where we stuck with you and we are always smiling. Yo, this place is nice. I tell you that much. It's super nice. Like, check out the outside, man. Yo, like, I definitely want a house, not exactly like this, but similar. Like, it's very open, because as I said in the last vlog, it's a house. Well, it used to be a house that they transformed into like a villa or something like that, a hotel or whatever. You know, it's simplistic and it's nice, and the Mandeville breeze is good. Inside you got like the inside dinner part, but we out here. But yeah, I was still a little bit disappointed about last night, to be quite honest, man. What did you think?
I was disappointed too, because I was actually looking forward to it, and the place was picking up for me.
Yeah, so we pretty much went there, and like, you know, the vibe was starting off, you know, it was gradually growing. DJs are playing, you know, some nice old school music and thing. My only thing was it was cold, but you can't change that. Feel me? Manchester, cold. And it was going, you know, it was starting to pick up, you know, I had my Guinness and stuff, and then KT got us a bottle of Smirnoff or something like that. And yeah, we were there, and then the police just come on us, was just like, yeah, some incomplete permit type of thing or whatever it was. And yo, I talk to KT like very often, maybe every other day, like leading up to this event, and like, this dude had everything, like he got everything done, but then, yo, there's always something, man, because he had police there at the event and everything. You know, everything was up to par, but then just, I don't even know what to say, but whatever. This is one thing about life. You're gonna do something, it might not work out, but it doesn't mean you're gonna stop. And I know he ain't gonna stop, so, you know, next year, I'm back at it again. But yeah, we're just waiting for breakfast. Babe, did we tell him what we wanted for breakfast? No, we didn't. Alright, so this is a little breakfast section to get you the extra stuff. I'm gonna get some coffee. I'm gonna make some coffee. Guys, Judah don't know how to make coffee. Like, bro. How? The complexity of making a cup of coffee. The only thing I know people always say, I can't make coffee to your liking. That's different. Alright. So dude, I can't watch the vlog earlier.
I'll pass.
Good. Never make tea?
Yeah.
I hope it tastes good. Aside. Dude, I can't make tea. The struggle is real. Alright, here's the deal, guys. I will propose to Judah the day she learns to make coffee and tea. That's the deal. Alright guys, so we got our breakfast. Judah has her tea, same thing like me. And I got some cereal and coffee. And it's a cute little thing of butter. Yo, this is rich.